Today we're here at Team Extreme Southwest showcasing this 2020 Aprilia RSV4 RR. This one's going for $17,500, brand new with 0 miles. It has launch control, wheelie control, traction control. You can get an app that will do a self-diagnosis on your telephone and let you know if there's anything wrong mechanically or what needs to be tuned up. You can, if someone happens to grab your keys, as you can see, you can insert a personal pin so that no one can start up the motorcycle, even if they have the key. You can see here that your degrees will turn left and right as you lean the bike over, and letting you know what kind of lean angles you have when you're going into turns at the track. You can develop your race. It will record 4 laps around a track, so you can go back and see what your performance level was and upgrade that as time goes by. Awesome machine. Please call Paul at Team Extreme Southwest 346-801-4385 for this and many other beautiful bikes. We have the Aprilia SHIVER 900 at only $9,300. Brand new, 0 miles. Also has awesome technology on it and hand torqued, not mass produced. We've got the 2020 Aprilia TUONO 1100 factory. Another high-end edition bike. Please give me a call at 346-801-4385.